Another pair of door panels out the door for one of our customers. We tore these guys down 100%. We did a lot of plastic repairs and fabrication like we always do. Reupholstered it in Italian leather. New custom-made armrests. Redone in black. We use a professional coloring, a true professional coloring, not the rattle can stuff. That's not going to chip, peel, crack, or wipe off with chemicals. Not even acetone on a rag takes it off. But to top it off, look at the black matte finish custom wood grain we did on these trim parts. Really hard to see with the light. The light just wants to glare off of everything. But it looks so good in person. We do absolutely everything, so all the mounts get repaired. We do tons and tons of plastic work on a daily basis. A lot of customers ask, can you fix this plastic? Can you fix the mounts on the back of parts? Yes, we can. We do it all the time. We do a lot of plastic repairs, even heavy fabrication with plastic. New padding, new speaker cloth. Here's his other door. You can see the black wood grain a lot better with the way the light's not reflecting on this one here. That's why I have it hanging on these drawers. We have a super nice leather on here too. I think the wood grain's definitely my favorite part. Armrests are way more user-friendly than the junk original ones. The coloring looks natural, like it's supposed to be, not a poor finish like you get with the DIY products. We do offer interior repair for absolutely any vehicle, whether it be little repairs or custom makeovers from the roof to the floor and everything in between. Plastic repairs, plastic fabrication, upholstery, hydrographics, and more. Use only the best supplies in the industry. All of our leathers come to us right from Europe. Super nice hydrographic patterns that look realistic. Hydrographics is actually really customizable, even though you might pick a film based on its pattern, the base color you use under it can drastically affect it. We were playing around with base colors to achieve this exact look. The same customer also sent the front section of his center console. We did the same custom black wood grain hydrographic with the matte finish, and we got rid of the chrome. This black piece used to be chrome and now it's just matte black. This is going to look killer in his truck. Contact us at cardesigns.co. Interior repair from the roof to the floor. Any vehicle. Plastic repair, plastic fabrication, upholstery, custom hydrographics, and much more. cardesigns.co.